Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to make design in Canva. Let's get started. First, go to the element in the app and search for Scratch. Then, find it from there and add it. First, you need to increase its size. Add one more add in Scratch. And rotate it. And click on R and add a square. Then click on Color and add yellow color to the square, making the square equal in size to the Scratch. Then you need to left-click. After that, go to Layer and click on Send to Backward. This will remove your background. Then you need to click on Color. Next, add the white color to the Scratch. After that, click on Share, then click on Download, select PNG, and click on Download. Then, you need to add the downloaded image. Next, go to Color and change the background image color to red. Then go to Edit Image, click on the Effect option, and then click on BG Remove. This will remove your image background. Then, you need to increase the size of the image. Next, go to Element, search for Lion, choose one, and add it. Then, you need to go to Edit Image, click on Effect, and select BG Remove. This will remove the background. First, you need to left-click. Then, go to the Layer option and click on Send to Backward. This will move your image to the background. Then you need to equal the image to match the size of the second image. Then you need to go to Color and change the color of the image to yellow. Then go to Share and click on Download to save it. Then you need to make the page gray in color. Add the image. Then you need to go to Edit Image, click on Effect, and select BG Remove. This will remove the background. And then increase the size of the image. Then you need to go to Adjust and decrease the brightness. Set the shadow to low. Increase the sharpness, reduce clarity, and decrease saturation. Here is our designed image. How do you like it? Don't forget to subscribe, YouTube, and click on the bell icon.